Hello and welcome to your PDF for Success. I am Coach Mark In Manila, and if you haven't already checked out my other services, then do pop over to my website and my online store. The details are in the links in this PDF. So these are the nouns, the countable and uncountable nouns you will absolutely need to know how to write and use correctly when you speak, and also compose your essays or your letters for referral for the OET. Follow them through carefully, practice getting them right, and also what I'd love you to do is every single day for 5 minutes every day, do these exercises, go through them, write them out, practice writing referral letters using these different types of countable and uncountable nouns. Make sure you're happy with what you're doing. Now, go through the PDF, and then at the bottom you will also find a coaching video from me that's packed into this sheet. And if you love this sheet, there are many more like them to help you with all aspects of the OET and medical phrasing in general. So don't miss them all out. You can buy them separately, like this particular sheet. You can buy them in a small pack for particular conditions like cardiology, etc. Or you can buy my massive full bumper pack, which covers absolutely everything. So pop along to the store, check all of that out. Also, on my website, you'll find opportunities for you to practice your speaking and upload it. And I will be responding to a select number of people to give you feedback on how you're sounding. So that's an opportunity not to be missed. Also, if you want one-to-one coaching, I can help you with that too. Again, you can book that via the link on my website. So good luck with all of this. Enjoy. Let me know your feedback, because I'm really wanting to help as many medics as I can worldwide to get yourselves to the countries you need to get to help other people. Stay safe. I'll see you soon.